Hi, today we'll make stuffed potato balls filled with meat and cheese. For these recipes we use ground meat, half pork, half beef, fresh dill, ground black pepper, salt, paprika, sour cream, duck fat, plain flour, cured cheese, potatoes, red onions, garlic, eggs, carrots, and fresh parsley. We start by making the dough. We peel some potatoes. We dice them, not too fine. We add them to a pot and we cover them with water. We season with salt and we cook them on medium heat until they are soft. While they cook, we clean and finely slice a few cloves of garlic. We do the same with the red onions. When done, we peel the carrots and we grate them. A medium-sized grater will do the trick. We chop some fresh parsley. We add the duck fat in a hot pan and we sear the carrots followed by the onions. We mix it well. And we add some garlic. We season with paprika. We add the minced meat. We don't want to burn the paprika because it will have a bitter taste. We add a small amount of water and we season with salt and ground pepper. We give it a mix and we cover the pan and let it cook for roughly 30 minutes. Our potatoes are ready, so we mash them. When done, we add them to a bowl with some duck fat. We add a whole egg. We season with salt and ground pepper. We mix everything well. We let the mix cool down to room temperature before adding plain flour to it. If we don't let it cool down, it will take too much flour, and we don't want that because it will ruin the taste. We gradually add flour to the mix until we get a nice dough which doesn't stick to our hands. We use the rolling pin to flatten the dough and we cut it in squares as you see here. We grate some cheese for the filling and we make some ball shapes out of it. Gently we fold the dough around the filling and we make ball shapes. We make some with meat too. Cooking the potato balls is quite simple. We add them to the boiling water and we cook them until they come up to the surface. It takes roughly 2 minutes. And now we make the sauces. We finally dice some red onions and we add them to a hot pan with duck fat in it. We season with salt and ground pepper. We sear the onions until they are translucent. Finally we add some paprika. We give it a quick mix and we are done. We add some potato balls to the sauce and we gently mix it so it gets coated evenly. For the second sauce we finally dice some garlic. We add it to the sour cream. We season it with fresh dill, salt and ground pepper. It's easy as this. We give it a mix and we put it on top of the potato balls filled with cheese. If you liked our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.